Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. If you are new, if you are a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and you guys have to hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload, so that you are able to see my videos. Today it is a really summertime fun look. Okay, I really am loving this look. I am using a palette that I purchased, I want to say a month or two ago, but I haven't gotten around to using it. And that is the Give Me Glow Cosmetics Summer Vibes palette. This is really nice. This is my second palette that I have of theirs. This one is more colorful. This palette is absolutely beautiful. I do have their staple palette. I have it from when it first came out, not when they reformulated and everything. This formula compared to that one, their mattes have always been a little more on the dry side to me, but these are more creamier than the ones in the staple palette. So I did notice that they still are a little on the dry side, but they are a little more creamy and they blend a lot more easier. I've always loved Give Me Glow shimmers. I really don't see a difference in those shimmers than these. I even have a few of their single shimmer pans. I've always loved their shimmers. Give Me Glow Cosmetics is the brand that I really do like. I have their highlighters, their loose highlighters. I did a video on that. So yeah, I really wanted to give this palette its own video. In New York City right now, we are literally in the middle of a full-blown heat wave. I do have like a little dress like I from Forever 21, but we are in a full-blown heat wave, so I really wanted to really go ahead and, you know, do a really cute summery eye look. This video will be a voiceover, just so that I'm just talking to you guys. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I don't know when none of these videos are going. I'm just getting videos out. I really want to do a Q&A, you guys, so please, I know you guys have some type of questions. Please ask them. Hello to all of my new subscribers. Hello. Welcome to the BeautiiBees family. We are so lit over here. It is insane. So please, you guys, I really want to do a Q&A, especially for my newer subscribers. If you guys have any questions, yada, go ahead and ask them. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We're gonna go ahead and get into this look. Again, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah. Alright guys, welcome. We are back with another Get Ready With Me. I'm first going to go into this yellow shade, which is the shade Sunny. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this out now. The way I'm going in with this shade right now just wasn't best for it. Me and yellow eyeshadow, we have a love-hate relationship. Sometimes they show on me, sometimes they don't. So this way I applied it went on a little patchy. But you'll see on my other eye, I'll pat it in and then from there go in and blend it out. That worked out a lot better. And then I'm taking the shade Orange Soda Pop and I'm going to apply that into the crease, making sure that I blend it into that yellow shade. This shade blended out really nicely, way better than the yellow did. And then I'm going in with this next shade, which is called Watermelon. This shade is so pretty, and honestly, well, the whole palette drew me in, but this shade just like popped to me because I love like pinky, reddish, raspberry tones on eyeshadow on my skin tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and go between a flat brush and a flat synthetic brush and a blending synthetic brush so that I can pack the color on and also blend out the edges so that I don't get a harsh line in my crease, if that makes sense. So that's what you're gonna see me do. You're gonna see me go between a flat brush and a blending brush.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Oh, honey, I'm a...
And then I'm just blending in a little bit more of the orange soda pop. And then being that we are in the middle of a heat wave in New York, so I'm gonna try Jackie Aina's trick to using setting powder under my foundation. It worked out okay. I think maybe next time I have to use a little bit more because I only used a little bit, but I didn't see much of a difference. Though I will say my foundation glided beautifully over the powder. I will say that, but as far as controlling my oil, I didn't really see much of a difference. So I think next time I'm just going to try a little bit more. And this is just my NARS Long Wear Natural Radiant Foundation. I got a new bonnet, y'all. That's the bonnet I've been wearing in my recent videos. I went and got me a new bonnet. And I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Dark 50, I think 52. Everything I use will be listed down below. And here's my mom talking to me while I'm trying to film.
It gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
And I'm just gonna apply a little bit more and let it set while I do my eyeliner, which is my Fenty Flyliner in the shade Cause I'm Black. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with that same powder, which the setting powder I used Laura Mercier setting powder in Deep Dark. And I use that to under my foundation and to set my concealer. And then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Sheer Setting Powder because this foundation is kind of full coverage and I don't want to get too cakey, so keep the powder light. And then I'm just going to contour with my Tarte Cloud with Makeup Shayla Contour Palette. I have not used this in forever, like literally. I have not touched this thing, but I just picked it back up because it was the closest thing to me. Then I'm going to take my LaFemme blush and apply it to my cheeks. I'm going to put in the description box what the name of this blush is because I have no clue. So it'll be in the description box. It's just a regular shimmery nude blush. Then we're gonna grab the wig, and then on the lower lash line, I am going in with the blue in this palette, which is called Brazilian Bikini, and I'm packing that on the lower lash line. And this shade was so pigmented. Well, all those shades are pigmented, but this one really popped to me. And then for the inner corner, I'm taking the shade Coconut Slushy, and I'm applying that to my inner corner and a little bit on my brow bone. And then for a highlight, I use my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in this shade Sugar Daddy and apply that.
Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules?
for lips, I'm applying my Too Faced Liquid Latex in the shade something. I'll leave it in the description box. I cannot remember right now. My brain is right there. And that is pretty much the look, you guys. If you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.